Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to explain you the exercise 7.1 in that first question. So the question is, find the distance between the points of pair of points, that is first one is 2, 3, 4, 1 and the second and third. So all these three questions I am going to solve in the same video. So to find the distance between the pair of the points, so these are the coordinate points given, so you have to find out the distance between. So for example, let us take this point 2, 3 is at A and the point 4, 1 is at B. So the distance from A to B we are going to find out. So let us start. So here I have wrote the question. So the first in that is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So first of all we will name this as x1, y1, x1 and this is y1, and the second coordinate points 4 and 1, that to be x2 and here y2. So we'll write the distance formula first. Distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 its square plus y2 minus y1 its square. So here instead of writing every time distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1, just will name this as A and this is the point B. So we will find out the distance now. So distance between the points A and B, or you can just write AB also. The distance AB equals to that also you can write square root of x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 its square plus y2 is 1 and y1 is 3. So square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 its square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 its square. So find out the squares first. 2 into 2, that is 4. Twice you have to multiply the same number, plus minus 2 into minus 2. So here you can see square means you have to multiply the base twice. 2 2s are 4, minus is plus. So the final answer is root 8, and root 8 is a not perfect square. So we have to write this 8 into the form where we'll get what? 2 factors of 8 and one other factor is the perfect square. So we can write 8 as 4 2s are 8. So here you can find out the separate roots here. So root 4 is 2 and the remaining is what? Root 2 here. So this is the distance between the given points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now the second question. So same here you have to write the points. So minus 5 and 7 and minus 1 and 3. So this is our x1, y1, and we will consider this as point P and this is Q. So let P this point and Q be this point. So x2 and y2. So we will find out the distance formula. First we will write the distance formula. If you try to do directly, it will be confusion. So if you have enough practice, you can do directly. So x2 minus x1 its square plus y2 minus y1 its square equals to, so x2 is minus 1 minus x1. So x1 has negative sign, so that I'll put in bracket. So here x2 is minus 1, subtract x1, x1 is minus 1 its square plus y2 is 3 here and y1 is 7, so minus its square. So this minus 1 and here minus is plus 5 plus here 3 minus 7 is minus 4 its square root here minus 1 plus 5 is 4 its square plus minus 4 its square. So this is 16 and this is also minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. So this is 32. So same here also 32 is not square number. So you can write this as 16 2s are 32, and 16 we got a square number. So the square root of 16 we can find out, that is 4 into square root of 2 will remain in under the square sign. So we'll move to the next question now. So the next question, they given the points. The first point we will consider it as, here I'll take this as x, the point is A and B, and y, we have taken capital Y. So because we use the capital letters to show the coordinate points. Now the distance formula equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and the whole root. So the distance between the points x and y, or just you can write distance of xy, you can write like that also. So square root x2, so here you have to write x1 y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So x2 is minus a, x1 is minus a its square. So remember x2 is minus a, subtract x1 is a its square, plus y2 is minus b, subtract y1, y1 is b here its square and the whole root. So here minus minus will be plus, minus a will be minus 2a its square, plus minus b will be what, minus 2b its square, equals to, here separately you have to square it. So minus 2 into minus 2 will be 4 and a square is a square, plus here minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 and here b square. Here we can take 4 common. 4 if we take common, so inside bracket what remains, a square plus b square. And again we know that we don't know the value of a and b, so we cannot find out that squares and even square root. But we can find out the square root of 4 because 4 is a square number. So square root of 4 is 2 and inside the square a square, inside the square root a square plus b square. So this is the distance between the points x and y, and for which coordinates points are what, a, b and minus a and minus b.